Hello and welcome to our Remine mobile app overview. Remine is more than just a mobile MLS. With the Remine app, you're able to search properties on the MLS through public records, share properties with your customers, engage, chat, and even do a little prospecting all from your mobile device. Begin by logging into your app stores and searching for the Remine app. Once you download the app, you want to go ahead and activate the app by sending yourself an email. Once you receive the email, you will confirm your account and your affiliation with the Miami Association of Realtors. Once inside of the Remine app, you want to go to the lower right corner, click on More, and you want to verify your profile information. From here, you're also going to be able to engage with your customers, see all of their activity inside of the portals, see your saved searches, your contacts, settings, and more. Let's go back to Daily and click on Search. Searching for properties on Remine is fairly simple. Begin by locating the nearby button on the lower left corner, which will point the map exactly to your location. At the top, you're able to search by address, zip code, or city. Make sure to click on Sort and Filter to set your filters. You can search for properties that are for sale or for rent. Select any status on the MLS, such as active, active under contract, pending, cancel, closed on the MLS, closed off the MLS, expired, hold, withdrawn, or off market. Let's select active and click on Done. You can set your list price minimum and max. You can search for properties with value or with equity. Select building type to select your property type. Set the minimum bedrooms and bathrooms. Minimum size of your property, minimum lot size of your property, basement, garage, parking spaces, floors, year built, ownership time, mortgage age, mortgage rate, sales score, flood zone, absentee owners, or distressed deals, and then click on Apply. From here, you can zoom out on your map and find the properties that are listed in your area. Notice to the lower right corner, there is a property listed at $800,000 and another property listed at $619,000. You can preview the listing by selecting the green button and then opening up your listing. See the photos. View the property history. You can begin a driving route using your phone's map system by selecting Start a Route. And it will default to Google Maps, where you can then select a route to the property. You can contact the listing agent by phone, message, or email. Read the remarks, agent remarks, showing instructions, listing details. You have access to the public records, current year's tax, and the previous tax years as well. Flood zone risk, net equity on the property, active mortgage on the property, schools in the area, evaluation for the property, demographics, property history, mortgages, and associated people. For associated people, you click on the name and you'll be able to contact that person or email that person by selecting the icons provided. With Remine and the mobile app, you will have access to contact information for each owner in the database. To share the property with your customers, look to the upper right corner and click on the Share button. This allows you to share the listing via text message, email, or copying a link. You can also add the property to your cart by selecting the cart. Click on the name of the cart you'd like to add it and then click on Done when finished. To create a CMA for the property, you click on the three dots to the upper right corner and then select Create a CMA. This allows you to create a CMA based on the criteria that you choose. Click on Next to find the comps. Select the comps and then click on Customize CMA Report towards the bottom. Choose a color scheme, enter the name of your client, and then click on View CMA Report. Here's your CMA report saying that the market value of the property is at $429,000. You can always email the report at the bottom by selecting Email Report. To search in a different location, you want to go to the search bar at the top and either enter a zip code or a city. Here we're looking at zip code 33134 with several listings available with that search filters that we entered before. If you want to see all the listings, click on List right next to Map, and this allows you to see all the properties in a list format. Go back to Map, and if you like to save this search, look to the upper right corner of the map, and this allows you to save this search. Simply give it a name, decide whether you want to receive emails as soon as possible, daily, weekly, or never, and then assign it to a contact of yours. And then click on Done on the upper right corner, and we now save the search. Let's remove the filter for 33134 and go back to the map. To draw on a map, go to the upper right corner of the map and select Draw. This allows you to draw your own figure and then save the search by selecting Save on the upper right corner. To clear your filters, go ahead and open up Sort and Filter and then select Clear and then click on Update. Now you have all of your filters cleared. To erase the drawing on the map, simply click on Draw and now you have a free map. To go to a particular address or a particular building address, go to the top and then type in the building address. Let's put in 50 Biscayne Boulevard and then proceed to draw around that building and see your results. Searching for properties with Remine Mobile MLS is easy and a great benefit to your membership. Thank you for being a Miami member.